got the goods. This one fit to be a little tricky. Got the goods. Got the goods. Whoo! I have the goods. So I seen Ayo Trav do this. I done seen B-Love's Life do it. Prissy P. I done seen the whole gang do it, man. But Ayo Trav was, I did not want to open that with my mouth. Ayo Trav was the last person. Ooh. Wow. I seen do this, so I decided to jump in on the shenanigans, which ain't looking like the best idea. I knew it. Okay. This ain't looking like the best idea. So if you see by the title of this video, what I'm fit to be doing is the no hands 2-time spicy noodles. That means I cannot use a fork for nothing for the produce, but I had to get these set up before we get into the shenanigans, because I am the queen of shenanigans, and I'm upping the stakes just a dab because I want mine to, you know what, I know damn well that wasn't the best idea I ever had, but we gonna do it, and we gonna do it well. Oh, it's meant to be a treat here. It's a Friday, baby. We finna turn it up. Thumbnail. That ain't gonna be the thumbnail. Yo, what it is and what it do. This is your favorite Cuzzo, and I am back with another banger. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell notification so you can be notified when your favorite Cuzzo posts another video. If you are new to this channel, this is what we do. Drop the bell. We made it through the week. We made it through the week. It's Friday. I'm finna turn it up. It's Friday. I'm finna turn it up. We made it through the week. Happy freaking Friday, my love. We made it. Whoo, it's been a long month, ain't it? Happy birthday, Fanny! I need y'all to drop in the comments right now. Happy birthday, Fanny. We love you. We adore you. We appreciate you. You are everything in a stepmother that anybody could want. Thank you for being my extra mom. We love you. Now, what we have prepared for us is the no hands 2-time spicy noodles. That means I have to eat with, yeah. Now, before we get into this good old bite, let's go ahead and get into this prayer because I'm nervous. I'm really nervous, so I'm talking so fast about it. God, thank you so much once again for the food that you have prepared before my body, Lord God. As we go into the weekend, continue covering us with your grace, Lord God. We just want to say thank you for what you're about to do. Whatever it is you're preparing to do, Lord God, we are ready because we trust you and your will. So let it be done. As for me, no nerves, no anxiety, Lord God. I'm yours. I will always be yours. In your name I pray. Amen. Now, I know the intro was fast and everything. It was. Okay, what's time is it? I'll tell you what. Okay. Because I got another meal on the way. I can't use my hands. 2-time spicy noodles. Oh, it's a little red. Let me get a... I don't know if I can... Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm going to just do it. I can't use my hands because... And it's juicy. It is juicy. I don't never survived the noodles hell with a fork, let alone coming over here to do this with... All right. We're really not going to be here long. Oh, let's go ahead and get into this. Bye. All right, cuz. Okay, put my hair back. Okay. Ayo Trav, I love you. If y'all not subscribed to Ayo Trav, please go subscribe to my brother's channel. Let's do it. What the? You know. Oh! Hey, yo, Trap, I seen why you showed your ass that video. I do. I'm good. Nice little pay. Oh. What made me put the extra 2 times spicy sauce in on? It feels like some food. It feels like, if I can explain this to you, it feels like I am directly licking hell. Like nothing is in front of me in hell. Nothing, I'm directly licking hell. And hell is licking back. Hell is licking back. Now, shut the hell up, Ashley. Shut the hell up, Ashley. Focus. You better focus. You better focus. Since I can't. Since you can't. Since I can't. Since I'm sweating. Since push through. Since! Woo! Alright. We good. We good. Alright. Let me breathe. Let me breathe. To my nose, I look like Rudolph. I look like Rudolph. That don't look right. Hey. All right. Okay. Hear me out. Hear me out. Come here. Come here. I can't feel my face. I cannot feel my face at all. I can't use my tongue. I need my tongue. I cannot feel my lips. I can't feel my face. Got 2 times spicy sauce on the camera. Don't even worry about it. I can't feel my face. Hold up, wait! Hold up, wait! Everybody calm down! Everybody calm down! I didn't know what that was gonna do. We almost done. Everybody calm down. Who is that? Alright. Hold on. I'm done. I'm done, man. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I can't feel my teeth. There's never a moment in time when you could actually feel your teeth, but I can't feel mine. I think I could go some more. I think I can go some more. We're gonna casually eat them. And we're gonna casually go on about our business too. Excuse me. That felt like a dragon that was being expedited out of my throat. Oh man. Oh, I look like Rudolph. Now the thing about it is, I have a taste for these sometimes, and today I had a taste for them. And my bright idea said, eat them with no hands. There's a lot of things I could do with no hands, but this ain't one. Alright, I'm gonna talk to you. I don't know what the hell we're gonna talk about, but let's get into this conversation. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. I need some ice. I didn't bring nothing in here but some water. My tongue not really burning. It's the outside of my lips that's they on hell. They are. However, hope this video reaches you well. I'm struggling right now a little bit. I don't know how much further we're gonna get through. No, I don't. But if I'm not mistaken, YouTube got us some punishment. They're not sending out notifications. The views are down. So if you got this notification this morning, say, "Ayo!" If you didn't get this notification, just say you didn't get it. But I tell you, whatever changes they go through, I'm alright with it. Because it allows me to do stupid stuff like this when nobody's watching. It allows me to do stupid stuff like this when nobody's watching. My mouth is calming down. It is. Yeah, I feel good that my neighbor, he taking out the trash. Oh, he probably is. Hope this video reaches you well, cause YouTube not sending out notifications. It's all good. It is what it is. It allows me to do stupid stuff like this. And I got some ghost pepper noodles that's probably about to be at my door. So the next video probably gonna be ghost pepper noodles because I'm on a roll. Remember that time we went on that spicy tour? Where Angelo at? Let's see what he doing. See if he wanna eat some ghost pepper noodles with me. He might. I've been telling y'all, Angelo don't want to get on camera. And I don't blame him. I don't know why I'm here today. I'm trying to get this conversation out, but the conversation isn't going well. And I hope you know that you understand that I was fit to use a big word there, but the big word never came out. Therefore, what we're going to do is we're going to end this video. I love you so much. I hope you're having an amazing freaking Friday. Today was a good day. It's always going to be a good day. I love you. It's not on you. We'll see you next time. This is your favorite Cuzzo. This is your favorite Cuzzo. You already know what it is. You already know what do, guys. Don't forget to drink a bit for me. This is your favorite Cuzzo again. Tell you, Kurt. I don't know what. Okay, here's the thing. I like the pink bottle. I love the pink bottle. Like, I eat that on, like, dog on there, everything. I eat that on chicken, pizza. Every time I eat something, I got a taste of the spice. I mean, for the pink bottle. But this right here, that came straight from hell. And what I've been doing for the last 3 years is being in hell with it. And it's not fair. It's not. Love you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, all that. I love you. Come on!